we're starting with a clockwise, chasing the sun. And then we're going to turn right into the 2-petal flower. Okay, and now we're going to go into the overhand weave, and then a left turn 360, and then a right turn 540. Then we'll come out underhand on the left side and then go into your 2-petal flower. And then from here, we're going to turn back to the chasing the sun. So we're in the chasing the sun, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So chase, and then turn right to the overhand 2-petal flower. And then from the 2-petal flower, we're going to go into the weave, left turn 360, right turn 540. We're going to end up underhand on the left side, 2-petal underhand flower. And then we're going to turn right 90 degrees into the chase the sun. And 5, 6, 7, 8. So chase the sun, turn right into your 2-petal flower. And then we're going to go into the overhand weave, left turn 360, right turn 540. Come out an underhand 2-petal flower on the left side. And then we're going to turn to the right 90 degrees into the chase the sun. Okay, third time through. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Chase the sun. Turn right into the 2-petal flower. Come into the overhand weave. Left turn 360. Right turn 540. Come out in the underhand 2-petal flower. And then we're going to right turn into the chase the sun. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Chase the sun. Right turn 90 degrees into the 2-petal flower. Come into the overhand weave. Left turn 360. Right turn 540. Come out into the underhand 2-petal. And we're going to right turn 90 degrees into the chase the sun. And then last time through, 5, 6, 7, 8, chase the sun, right turn 90 degrees, overhand 2-petal flower, and then go into the overhand weave, left turn 360, right turn, and another 180, come out into the underhand 2-petal, and we're going to come right turn into the chase the sun, and we're back where we started.